Hello. In today's video, I stumbled across a report that a sixth grader had written, and I thought it was worth reading in its entirety. It's called Global Warming, A New Approach. The sixth grader is from the town of Montvielou, and it's translated into English. People are focusing on the wrong thing when it comes to global warming. They talk about pollution. They talk about climate change. They talk about reducing toxic emissions. They miss the root cause and therefore come up with solutions which don't work. The root cause of global warming is that the sun is getting bigger. The correct solution is to extend our planet's orbit. At one point in time, when our sun was much smaller, Mercury was in the Goldilocks zone. Life must have thrived there like it did on our planet. Now you see, Mercury is devoid of life, too hot and gassy for anything to live there. Did the life on Mercury pollute the planet? If they stopped polluting completely, would it now be safer to live? Negative. The sun is too big for Mercury now. The Goldilocks zone now encompasses our planet. Did life from Mercury move here? I don't have the ability to comment on that. Chances are the Goldilocks zone encompassed the void between Mercury and Venus, and thus no life was possible on any planet before the Goldilocks zone encompassed Venus. What if the life on Mercury was able to widen its distance from the sun? Well, then the planet would cool. I often wonder if our planet's ice age came from someone with this idea, namely the planet's getting too hot, so they blasted one end of the planet to widen the orbit, but then they widened it too much, and thus cooled it too much. In any case, Mercury is consumed by the sun now, so if widening its orbit was ever an idea, it didn't work. Since nobody is talking about widening Venus's orbit, I figured we should at least give it some healthy consideration, since it is likely the only solution which could compensate for the root cause. All life on our planet Venus might become just like Mercury if all we do is not pollute.